Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to cancel Shopify subscription and close your Shopify store. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to admin.shopify.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you'll be on this page. On this page, you're going to click on the My Store button at the top right side of the screen. Now, choose Manage Account from this drop-down menu and you'll be taken over to this page. Now on this page, you'll be under General. Just click on the security option at the left of the screen. Now, scroll at the bottom of this page and make sure you have logged out of all the devices except the one which you're on. So it will show this device. Don't log out of this one. If you'll see more options available here, just log out of other devices. Now, make sure that this is turned off. This is two-step authentication. Make sure it is turned off if you have enabled it. Now, cut out this page and you'll be here. Here, you're going to click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, when you click on this settings icon at the bottom left of the screen, you will see this general section of the settings where you'll have to navigate to plan option just below general. Now, when you click on plan, it will show up this page. Here you will see your plan details. In order to cancel your plan, you'll have to simply make sure that you have disconnected all the apps that you have connected to your Shopify store if it is a subscription app. Because even after canceling your Shopify subscription, the app subscription won't be cancelled. So make sure you cancel the subscription for apps, then come to this page and click on the deactivate store button at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, it will show up this deactivate page where you'll have to choose the main reason for cancelling the plan. After selecting a reason, simply click on the continue button here and it will show up this pop-up. Click on the deactivate button here. Now when you click on deactivate store button here, your Shopify store will be instantly deactivated. Now we have finally cancelled our Shopify subscription and closed our Shopify store. So that is a simple way to do this. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.